Welcome back to Learn English Road. Have you ever noticed how many times you say okay in a single day? It's one of the most common words in English, but it's also one of the most boring. Today, you're going to learn 20 natural everyday ways to replace okay through a short story about two friends, a fence, and a favor for a neighbor. Listen carefully and try to notice each new expression as it comes up. After the story, we'll go through all 20 phrases together, one by one. Let's get started. The weekend project. Maya knocked on Leo's door. Hey, are you free this weekend? I could really use some help painting the fence. Sure thing, Leo said, grabbing his jacket. I've got nothing else going on. Great, I'll pick up the paint on my way over. Blue okay with you? Absolutely. Blue's my favorite color anyway. They met at the house on Saturday morning. Can you start on the left side while I set up the ladder? Maya asked. You got it, Leo said, already rolling up his sleeves. A few hours in, Maya's neighbor, Mrs. Chen, walked over. That fence is looking wonderful. Would you two mind helping me move a bookshelf after you finish? Why not? Leo shrugged. We've got the afternoon free. No problem, Maya added. We'll swing by around 3. By 3 o'clock, the fence was finished. Perfect, Maya said, stepping back to admire it. Exactly what I wanted. Works for me too, Leo laughed. Now let's go save Mrs. Chen's bookshelf. At Mrs. Chen's house, they found the shelf wedged awkwardly against the wall. If we lift together on 3, it should slide right out, Leo suggested. Deal, Maya said. 1, 2, 3. The shelf slid free easily. Excellent, Mrs. Chen clapped. You two are lifesavers. That's fine, Maya said, catching her breath. Happy to help. Would you like to stay for dinner? Mrs. Chen asked. I don't mind staying, Leo said, glancing at Maya. If you're not in a hurry to get home. That'll work, Maya smiled. I wasn't planning anything else tonight. Over dinner, Mrs. Chen mentioned she was organizing a neighborhood cleanup next month. Would you two want to help lead it? I'm in, Leo said immediately. Sounds like a plan, Maya agreed. Count me in too. All right, Mrs. Chen beamed. Then it's settled. Go ahead and pick a date that works for you both. Let's do it, Maya said, raising her glass. I'm ready whenever you are. Sounds good. Mrs. Chen smiled. I'll send you both the details this week. Of course, Leo said. We're looking forward to it. Now let's look at 20 natural ways to say okay in English. The same phrases you just heard in the story. 1. Sounds good. This means, I like that idea. It's a friendly, easy way to agree. 2. No problem. This means, that's fine. Use it to reassure someone that their request isn't a burden. 3. Of course. This means I'd be happy to. It's warm and willing, and a little more polite than sure. 4. Sure thing. This means definitely. It's casual and friendly. 5. You got it. This means I'll do it. It sounds confident, and people often use it when they're taking on a task. 6. Absolutely. This means yes, definitely. It shows strong enthusiasm. 7. Works for me. This means I agree. Use it when something fits your plans or your schedule. 8. Why not? This means sure. It's casual agreement, sometimes with a hint of, I wasn't planning to, but okay. 9. That's fine. This means no issue. It's a calm, neutral way to accept something. 10. I'm in. This means count me in. It shows enthusiasm about joining something. 11. Deal. This means it's agreed. Use it to confirm an arrangement between two people. 12. Perfect. This means exactly what I wanted. It shows strong satisfaction with a result. 13. Great. This means that's wonderful. It's a general positive reaction. 14. Excellent. This means very good. It's slightly more formal than great. 15. All right. This means sounds okay. It's a mild, casual way to accept something, less enthusiastic than great or perfect. 16. Go ahead. This means you can start. Use it to give someone permission. 17. I don't mind. This means either is fine. It shows you're flexible, not necessarily excited. 18. That'll work. This means that's acceptable. It's a practical, low-key kind of approval. 19. Sounds like a plan. This means let's do it. Use it to confirm a suggestion as a good next step. 20. Let's do it. This means I'm ready. It's a direct, energetic way to move into action. So next time you want to say, okay, try one of these instead. Your English will sound more natural and a lot more interesting. And that's 20 new ways to say okay, from casual expressions like sure thing and you got it, to more enthusiastic ones like perfect and absolutely. Try using a few of these in your next conversation. The more natural phrases you use, the more confident and fluent you'll sound. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Learn English Road for more stories like this one. See you in the next lesson.